Hi, I'm back. We're going to learn 8 words today from this quote. No one else will ever know the strength of my love for you. After all, you're the only one who knows what my heart sounds like from the inside. Okay. The first word is no. And the Tagalog word for this is alam and Bicol aram. Another word is strength. In Tagalog word, we say it lakas. And in Bicol, kusog. The word you, the Tagalog for this is, you can say it sa iyo. And in Bicol, sa imo. You is a pronoun. Sometimes it is also known as ikaw. Same Tagalog and Bicol. But in this code, we can use the other word or other term sa iyo instead of ikaw. The word only, we can say it in both Tagalog and Bicol, nag-iisa. Nag-iisa. And the word heart, both Tagalog and Bicol, we can say it puso, puso. The word sound, we can say it in both Tagalog and Bicol, tunog, tunog. And the last word, inside. In Tagalog, we can say it sa loob. And in Bicol, sa laog. This coming Friday, or rather this coming Sunday, May 13, it's really a very special day. And I just would like to take this opportunity to greet all the mothers a happy, happy Mother's Day, especially to my ever dearest mama who is already in heaven. Mama, we love you so much. My sister, Manay Ursi, and Jane. Nanay Leticia Santo Domingo. We love you, Nanay. Mamay Nena. Ate Lydia. Imelda Ortiz, Helen Alanano, my best friend forever cousins, Baby and Ning Ning, Jing and Lani, Tita Bobby and Tita Luming, Ate Cora, Ate Donnie, Ate Esti, Ate Rosalina, Ate Carmen, Levi, Yeye, An, Sherry, Tintin, Michelle, Karen, to all my comares, Bidet, Marlene, Maricel, Vivian, Carmen, Rose, Irene, my dearest friends, Beth, Mirna, Mena, Anne, Lucia, Ned, Ernst, Tess, Rosette, Manoraman, Fatia Hassan, my high school friends, Joy, Mean, Elena, Manette, CEU friends, Ida, Myra, Gay, Marisa, Ellen, Evelyn, Mel, Audie, Dolly, Karen, and to my professors, Dr. Nieves Beltran, Dr. Ami Cabrera, Dr. Thelma Castillo Alcantara, or Dr. Thelma Alcantara Castillo, Dr. Cynthia Chini, Dr. Jocelyn Flores, Dr. Jonna Godoy, Dr. Rowena Mercado, Dr. Remedios Pancho, and all of the CEU faculty members of the College of Dentistry, all mothers. Happy Mother's Day. And thank you so much. We miss you guys. And to all our mothers, happy Mother's Day and God bless you. Have a wonderful day.